Hey friends, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery. Today's Tuesday. You know what that means. Tutorial Tuesday.
Hey friends, Sarah here again with Boho Stitchery. I wanted to pop in because I have a really exciting new stitch in store for you guys. I'm really excited about this. This is one that I've come up with using a combination of a few different stitches. So go ahead and grab your hook and your yarn and let's get started. Okay guys, so for this pattern, just grab yourself some yarn and a crochet hook. I'm just using some scrap yarn here. And you want to chain an even number of stitches for this pattern. So any multiple of 2 or any even number will work. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go ahead and do 12, 11, 12. Okay, so this is a 2-row repeat and you're going to be doing a few different stitches. You'll need to know how to do a single crochet and a half double crochet. So if you are not familiar with those stitches, you want to go back to my previous videos I've posted on my YouTube channel here. I show you in slower detail how to do those stitches. So we've chained our even number of stitches. And then we're going to go in the second chain. Let me zoom in a little bit here. Second chain from the hook. So not this one, we'll go into this one. And I like to go into the back bumps, but you don't have to. You can go in through that top loop there. So rotate your chain over if you're going to go through the back and pop it in under that hump there. And then just do a single crochet. Now this is our first row. So what we're going to do is single crochet in that second chain. Then we're going to chain 1, skip the next one and go into the next and single crochet. So this part is very similar to the linen stitch. So if you've done the linen stitch or don't know how to do that, I do have a video over on my channel as well on how to do the linen stitch, or sometimes called the moss stitch as well. So chain, skip the next chain, go into the next one, single crochet. So we're going to repeat this across the row, chain 1, skip the next one and go into the next. Chain 1, skip the next one and go into the next. Chain 1, oh, my yarn keeps splitting. And skip that one, and the last one you're going to do a single crochet into. That's row 1, so it's single crochet in the second chain, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet all the way to the end. Row 2, you're going to chain 1 and turn. And now we are going to turn our work toward us. So you see these little V's. In this first one, you're going to do a single crochet. So go ahead and pop your hook in there, drop a loop, and do a single crochet. In the chain 1 space, which is right here, see how it's a little bit gappier, just in that space we're going to do 1 half double crochet. So yarn over, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3, excuse me. That's a half double. Next one, single. In the chain 1 space, do your half double. So you're going to alternate single crochet, half double crochet. Single crochet, half double crochet. And repeat this all the way to the end. And sometimes the single crochets, you got to spread the work apart. That right there is your single crochet. So don't skip one or your counts will be off. And half double. And then this last one, it likes to kind of hide. So if you turn it towards you, you can see both legs of the V. Don't forget that last single crochet there. And that's it guys. We're going to chain 1 and turn, and we're going to repeat row 1 again, which was our single crochet, chain 1, skip 1. So it's the moss stitch essentially, or the linen stitch, whichever you prefer to call it. It's the same thing. So we're just going to chain 1, skip 1, single in the next. Chain 1, skip 1, and single in the next. and that's row 1. Row 2, again, I'll do real quick here with you, is going to be single crochet, half double crochet in the chain 1 space, single crochet on top of your single crochet, half double crochet in the chain 1 space. So you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Okay, so this yarn keeps splitting on me. And then don't forget, like I said, to put your last single crochet on top of that single crochet. And let me scooch my tripod over here a little bit because I think you'll be able to see it better on my keyboard pad here. So as you can see, if you repeat that over and over, you get these nice, cute little well-defined boxes. And I think it looks like quilted material, like little tiny quilt squares. So I'm going to call this the crocheted quilted stitch, excuse me. And then for the swatch that I did, I just did a half double crochet edging on it all the way around, which I think if you were making something like a washcloth, this would be really pretty stitch for that. It's kind of bumpy, it's got a lot of texture to it. I'm of course going to make this for my scarf challenge that I'm doing for the homeless. But really, it's a really pretty texture. Like I said, I think it looks like little quilt squares, so I'm calling it the Crochet Quilted Stitch. So if you guys have any questions, please comment below. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. And if you're watching over on YouTube, if you'll hit that post notification bell, that way you'll get notified anytime I post a video, which typically is on Mondays and Tuesdays. So I will see you guys next week. Thanks for stopping by.